In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Notion Workspace aesthetic. To begin, open Notion and go to the Cozy Planner page. Once it loads, click on Cozy Planner, so you are fully inside the main dashboard. This is your home base, so take a second to notice the overall layout, the spacing, and the sections. Aesthetic work in Notion is mostly about making information feel calm and easy to scan, not just decorating. Next, find and click on the section called My Week at a Glance. This view is useful because weekly layouts naturally create structure, and structure is what makes a workspace look clean. When your layout has a clear rhythm, it is easier to navigate and it instantly feels more polished. From here, click on Monday. Opening a specific day helps you keep details contained instead of crowding the main dashboard. A simple tip as you build pages like this is to keep the top of each page consistent, so your eyes always know where to look first. You can also hide extra clutter by using toggles for longer notes, and by turning off things like backlinks when you do not need them. Now go back to the week view and click on Tuesday. The goal here is consistency across days. When each day page follows the same style, your workspace looks intentional. This is also where synced blocks can help, because you can reuse the same header area or checklist across multiple days, and updates will carry everywhere. Next, click on Daily Comfort Rituals. Sections like this add a cozy aesthetic feel because they balance productivity with routine. Keep this area visually simple, and use dividers or a gallery view if you want a more visual layout for habit-style items. Finally, click on Stuff to get done. This is your action zone, so clarity matters most. Consider using a database with relations to connect tasks to projects, and use templates to keep each new task page consistent. If you use Notion AI, you can draft or summarize content quickly using the space key or the /AI command, which helps keep pages neat without extra effort. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.